Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this video, I'm going to talk about an offering we have for people who are in the MEP design industry. BricsCAD BIM plus AX3000 is our recommendation for the best MEP experience in detailing, design, simulation, and general arrangement drawings. AX3000 is from a company EDV Software based out of Austria and integrates very well with BricsCAD Pro or with BricsCAD BIM and offers you a CAD-based environment in which you can do your complete 2D layouts and then convert them into 3D with a flick of a button. You can also export this information into a BIM model via the IFC files. AX3000 and BricsCAD BIM produces output that can integrate very well with other BIM and CAD software in the market, as well as with AR and VR visualization systems that are currently available in the construction industry. So we have several customer success stories and case studies and testimonials. Please feel free to get back to us if you want to know more about AX3000 and BricsCAD BIM. We can show you real stories from users as well as do a complete demo for you. Thank you for watching this video and do let me know if you have any questions.